being Jamaican. Now think about it. Like, if a nightmare for me would be like having a dream where I'm not Jamaican. You understand? I am not Jamaican. I was talking about it earlier now, that we are the kindest, meanest, rudest, most polite, most beautiful, cantankerous, short-tempered, long-suffering, gorgeous people on the face of the earth.
What's up, guys? Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Larry, and in today's video I have sampled a few videos here of white Jamaicans. Well, I've been telling you that Jamaica is a very big brand and Jamaica is very influential all around the world. So in this video that you're about to watch, it's about the white Jamaicans, how they try their best to be like Jamaicans, and also how other white people react to when they find out that they are not Jamaicans. Well, watch this video up to the end. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe.
Can you imagine not being Jamaican? Now think about it. Like, if a nightmare for me would be like having a dream where I'm not Jamaican. You understand? I am not Jamaican. I was talking about it earlier now, that we are the kindest, meanest, rudest, most polite, most beautiful, cantankerous, short-tempered, long-suffering, gorgeous people on the face of the earth.
I'm Chinese, Jamaican, Bermudian. My mom is Chinese, Jamaican, and then my dad is Bermudian.
Brother, I never know said this was going to be a whole thing. So, my mother is Honduran and Jamaican. My father is Chinese and Indian Jamaican. Me put the Chinese in my bio because it's what I look like. Everybody are gonna identify me first as Chinese, not Jamaican. But when me identify to people and people hear me talk, them are gonna be like, oh, she's Jamaican. So there you go. So basically, yeah. And for the people who want to be like, well, Jamaican people listen, brother, the amount of mix-up people there Jamaica exhibit, hey, like, if somebody tell you say them Jamaican, point blank period.
Not being Jamaican has really hurt my feelings because I was told my skin tone makes me not Jamaican.
Every time James and I make TikToks, we just get like a bunch of people telling us that we're not Jamaican, which is fine, like you can have your own opinion. The only problem I have is where else do I claim? I was born here, so I don't have a British passport. How does it feel like you're not Jamaican?
What country has the funniest people in the world?
Jamaica.
Jamaica? Yeah? Okay, sorry.
I knew a guy with cancer and they called him soon dead.
Great. Come on, from the board. Come on, my great grandfather is from England. Yeah. And we're not interested in England.
My game. You say that in the England thing, burn up Babylon.
Yeah, England, them mad people. And your grandfather come from there? Yeah. But he changed up with the German them. But when you go to Canada, and you tell us from Jamaica, they expect a few black people. Dark people come from Jamaica. It's not one set of pussies them, not true.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they never know the straight nose man there.
Yeah. And when this hard factor,
here,
I'm going to be a joke.
Yeah.
My son up, we go to Canada now. He go to college and everything up here and live over 5-6 years now. Okay. And we never can go down to Toronto. So then go to one club.
Yeah.
And then see some Jamaican. And they tell him, say, yo, I'm a Jamaican, yeah. He said, no, I'm a imitate Jamaican. And they want to fight. They want to fight them. Want to fight my nephew and my son.
Yeah.
And start trick them.
If you know who your foundation of Jamaica, yeah.
And he start talk to pastor now. He said, bomba clot, this man a Jamaican for true.
Mind game, them. Mind game, man.
Yeah.
From
fellow Jamaican, you have to come big up. Give me a look. Come on, man. You have to give me a look.
Listen.
Talk to me.
You're here in Hollywood, but I want everybody to know I spend so much time in Canada, I know exactly who you all are. So you're doing a great job. I have seen you before. I know who you are. And welcome to LA. And big up Jamaica. Yes, my dear.
You see, last week after the Golden Globes, all my cousins them were like, oh my God, we're so proud of you. How you never talk to Cheryl? I was like, it's not my choice. But anyways, I just wanted to say.
We got it today.
We got it today, and and you're doing an amazing job with the work, and obviously what it represents. It's bigger than just the show alone.
Got it.
So,
and I thank everybody in Canada who's watching and supporting Abbott Elementary.
Yes.
Thank you. Just like us, your educators need the light shined on them and the work that they do. So I thank them, and I thank all of my friends in Canada at Turnabout Luxury. Thank you.
yes, thank you so much for doing that, because I'm big on the work in the underserved communities. So, thank you. Big up yourself.
Big up, big up.
Yeah.
You're my friend when I'm in need, lady. Life is one big party when it's still young. Who's gonna have it? I'm gonna love it. It's all good with it until the pure fun. I'm for your boo, son. What about the long run? Looking like Shopsy, always a mention. Say me done giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation. Girl, you're my angel.
What's the craziest story you have about somebody reacting to hearing your accent?
Jamaica. When I walked in the supermarket, I chatting. This guy walked around and looked. He said, Ross, you're Jamaican? I said, yes. You don't know, so Jamaica, we're out of many one people. White, black, Indian, we're all the way there.
Amen.
Hey guys, wagwan. Have you ever noticed most of the times when foreign people come to Jamaica, they run in a Jamaican KFC to try Jamaican fried chicken, KFC fried chicken. Most of the times they buy original fried chicken, then them sit down in front of them, cell phones, I record themselves, bite the chicken, run up them face and say Jamaican KFC is overrated. The Jamaican KFC does not really taste good. Jamaican KFC is too hyped and it's not really worth it. I'ma tell you something. You see, in Jamaica, most people who me know, them only buy original KFC fried chicken when they drive through line for hours. And you see, you're stuck. You look behind, be a cars. You look in front, be a cars. So by the time you reach the microphone, the lady behind the microphone will say, no spicy, no barbecue, no zinger. So you be like, all right, then give me something at least. So you get your original KFC chicken. Yeah, but other than that, me hardly know people who really obsessed with that flavor. You see? Yeah, so when you want to be the first impression, you make sure you build it pan the spicy or barbecue.
I mean, over here, so say people if you come and chat fucker. But at the same time, I'm all about free speech, so you can chat and say whatever you want to say. But imagine if me say something like this. Black people if you come in our way and chat Norwegian. Oh. Like what you would I tell the Chinese people them in Jamaica? What happened to the white people born in Jamaica? All in all, you know. People are going to feel what they want to feel. But that not really matter.
Grandma, your hair looks so good like this. Do you like it, Dad?
No, please. She looks like she could be on Soul Train.
Soul Train.
Soul Train.
Don't pull my hair like this, please.
You don't like it?
No.
Do you want to braid it?
No. I want that thing I had on my hair. I like it like this, but I like to have that thing just put over it and keep it down like this.
Your bonnet?
Yeah.
Okay. Isn't how you wear it in Jamaica?
No.
No? You don't wear it out?
No, that looked like a sheep or some animal.
That's what everyone says. Your hair looks like a sheep. I was telling them because you don't comb it.
It's combed, but it's thick.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
A lot of people don't know or don't believe that there are white Jamaicans. So today I'm going to show you. What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. We come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. With a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love the curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more I think about it, I love goat belly soup. And my mother used to make hog foot, but since I live abroad, I don't get that no more. I love any kind of Jamaican food.
What's your favorite thing about Jamaica?
My favorite thing about Jamaica is the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people are the warmest, kind-hearted people in the whole world. You can meet anybody on the street, just chat to them, and they talk to you. They don't really care who you are, where you come from, what you look like. And well, I know everything in Jamaica nice. I miss Jamaica, because I used to live there, I don't live there no more, but I love Jamaica.
Who's your favorite reggae artist?
Well, my favorite reggae artist from a long time ago, Yellow Man. I remember Yellow Man when he was big in the 80s when we used to live. Nobody, no reggae artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. Once he go up on the stage, he mix it up with all in lyrics and in different styles. Blueberry Hill, Zungo Zungo Zuzin, whatever that one they call me, can't even pronounce it.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
But I don't know, because enough people watch this video and then probably wonder why may I put this on the internet. Well, my daughter born in Jamaica too, and she always bother me because she on the internet all the time, and I don't know, say she don't believe that enough people believe say white people come from Jamaica. The Jamaican motto is out of many, one people. So you got all different kind of people in Jamaica, and I'm just an example of, I guess, one of them.
So now we're going to get my dad to pronounce some words. So Dad, can you say the first one on this list?
Woven.
Okay, how about the second one?
Water.
Okay, how about the third one?
Character.
Okay, what about the fourth one?
Pronunciation varies.
Yep. And Dad, what is this?
Cutex.
Okay, now what color is it?
Orange. What's wrong with you? You don't know your color? Don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Take care.
Did you experience a lot of racism growing up white in Jamaica? Very minimal. But I do remember one very racist moment. I couldn't have been more than 6. A fellow classmate, a very young girl at the age of 6 as well, would sing to me, "Black is beauty, red is corruption. Black is beauty, red is corruption." Now that I'm 40, I realize how deep that actually went. To think that here is this young girl, and she's been taught by her parents to sing black is beauty and red is corruption. And that's also an important lesson to teach your children, because racism ends with you.
What country are you from?
I'm from Jamaica. Where are you from? What does that mean?
You're supposed to mean Aish. That's what you're supposed to mean.
Aish. What is that? What was the... I don't know what
I'm worried.
You're
That's
worried?
why. I'm worried about your alcohol intake.
Wow. Where
That's
are you
why.
from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Yeah, of course. The cheek. What do you mean? Like,
So
you
you're
man
telling me
don't
we have beef
consume
already?
alcohol as well? So it's only us that consume alcohol. You lot are sober. Yeah.
No, but your
That's what you're
alcohol
trying to tell me.
intake is a bit crazy because Ray Nephew is
Because
not
of the
really
one
my
Ray
friend.
and nephew, because it's 160% bottle. You man think it's like we're just out here. Just
You said
getting
one
drunk.
Ray Nephew. Do you know what Ray Nephew is?
Are you asking me, or do I know what Ray and his nephews is?
Listen, Ray Nephew can have you collapse on the floor at about 4 a.m. in the morning.
No, if you know how to
not
handle
good.
your drink. Do you know how to handle your drink?
No, I can handle my drink, so I can handle a lot more.
Handle a lot more than who?
I can handle a lot more when it comes to the person I'm trying to chat to. You feel me?
But you don't know that. You're just making a wild assumption.
So your dad is ethnically Palestinian, but lived in Jamaica basically most of his life.
Yeah. So like the basic story is I guess it would have been my great-great-grandfather. So it was like, I'm the 5th generation. My great-great-grandfather immigrated to Jamaica from Palestine.
How long ago was that?
Late 1800s.
Bro, that's crazy. And so your dad lived in Jamaica his whole life?
Yeah, and his dad. Was
Like, all the way back.
my father born and raised in Jamaica, my grandfather born and raised in Jamaica. And then my great grandfather and my great great grandfather together immigrated to Jamaica. A lot of times people would be like, in the comments, it'd be like, oh, you know he's Jamaican, like y'all are racist for thinking that all Jamaicans are black. But it's like, it's understandable. Like if I met myself, I wouldn't fucking believe me either.
Bro.
Like, you ain't Jamaican.
That's a deep sentence though. If I met myself.
Yeah.
Have you met yourself, dude?
Not yet.
Not yet, dude.
I'm a little
You gotta
scared
do
to
more
myself.
psychedelic.
So today I'm going to brunch with Nikita's family, and she never lets me go to fucking brunch.
And what are you not gonna do?
No Jamaican accent to your Trinidadian family. Alright, youths. Time to wake up, alright? Your father hungry. Make tummy growling and thing.
Kevin.
Alright, brother. Bless.
What's up, Kev? How you doing?
What's up, mother? How are you? Alright. There's a lot of bugs out here.
Yeah, because of the wind.
It's not like this in Jamaica. It's not like this. You have jerk chicken? You think she have red stripe?
Guys, the vitamin D is great for the skin.
Why everybody ignore me?
This is not a Jamaican spot. Why would they have red stripe?
Bless. Where you going? Are you gonna relieve yourself? Who's paying the bill? You gonna pay the bill? Alright, here you go. I had a good time. Had a good time? I had a good time. We're gonna be home soon. Everybody relax.
Oh, go on, squad.
This time of night you have strength to be taping.
You ever know your son to stop working? About it 13,000. Hold on. I'm not the body this man I eat.
God, yes, good.
Not being Jamaican has really hurt my feelings because I was told my skin tone makes me not Jamaican.
Every time James and I make TikToks, we just get like a bunch of people telling us that we're not Jamaican, which is fine, like you can have your own opinion. The only problem I have is where else do I claim? I was born here, so I don't have a British passport. How does it feel like you're not Jamaican?
Well, so guys, I've been telling you that Jamaica is a brand that everybody wants to be associated with it. Now, in this video, it has been proved that to be real. And you've seen the reactions from people all around the world to the white Jamaicans, and also what other white people had to say when they found out that they are not Jamaicans, and also what the world has been throwing towards them depending on their skin color. So, well, what I realized is that people really don't seem to understand the difference between ethnicity and nationality. Well, yes, we have white Jamaicans, we have Chinese Jamaicans, we have European Jamaicans, like everybody, Jamaica. And also what we know that Jamaica is a country that's loved by a lot of people, and leave alone just being loved, but Jamaica is also envied. Everybody wants to be like Jamaica. Everybody envies the Jamaicans way, like the Jamaican culture. Well, that's proof enough to show you that Jamaica is a country that's mostly influential around the world. We've seen people envy the Jamaican food, but there is one who came out and said the Jamaican food doesn't taste really good. Well, she regretted for that because of the impact that Jamaican has. Jamaican food, like there is a video of a Japanese girl. She said that she traveled around over 20 countries and she couldn't miss a Jamaican restaurant in each of the country that she visited. Well, also here in Kenya, we have a Jamaican restaurant. That's to show you how much Jamaica is the best. Like we all talk of Jamaica being the most influential country in the world, and as they say, the Jamaicans, they look cool but they tawala. And also look at the Jamaican athletes. Jamaica produces the best. Jamaica produced an athlete, a man who ran and set a record that up to now nobody has ever been able to break that record. That shows you how much Jamaica or rather the much impact that Jamaica has in the world. Well, in this video, you've seen people really love it being associated with Jamaica. You've seen the white folks. Yes, they are Jamaicans. But what I'd love people to understand that there is a difference between ethnicity and nationality. Well, for instance, there might be someone who knows how to speak Jamaican patois. That doesn't mean like this person is Jamaican. It doesn't. So that's the much thing I'd love my viewers, my subscribers to get, that there is a difference between ethnicity and nationality. But all in all, we appreciate all our white folks for showing much love towards Jamaica, expressing their love and affection towards Jamaicans. Well, thank you guys for sticking around with me up to the end of this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're yet to subscribe. Like, comment and share. Share this video to your families, relatives and close people around you. So, and until we meet in the next video, kindly maintain peace out there and may God bless you.